All right, so here we are under a 2004 Nissan Titan. This customer is complaining about a popping noise when he's going around corners and the bumps and stuff. So looking under the vehicle here, we have the sway bar. And these are sway bar bushings. This one bushing is blown out of the backside here. Now these bushings have failed due to this oil leak here from the power steering. But we are only going to be replacing the bushings just for the noise. He's not ready to address the leaking yet. So we're going to go ahead and remove these two bolts here. This will take our clamp off and actually get to our bushing. All right, so they're not busted up, they're just separating, pushing itself out the corner there. All right, so we'll go ahead and clean this up for our other one. I'm going to do one at a time, so we'll do this one first, and then I'll put the clamp back on, and then move over to the other one, because you can see it gets pretty loose. You know, we don't want to have to hold the bar up. It does weigh a couple, 10 pounds or so. All right, so here we have our new bushings that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so our new bushing is a little tighter there. Okay, all right, so now that we have that side done, we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the driver's side. All right, so now that we have both of our new sway bar link bushings in, we'll go ahead and take it for a drive around the block, make sure that we did get the noise, that there's no other concerns going on, and that'll be job done.